So hello guys and welcome back to a very new vlog. So this is your friend Sid Scooter Life, and today we are just planned to go to somewhere near Lonavala, I guess. So I'm today riding with the team Gearless. So this is the first time I'm meeting them. So the meetup point is somewhere near the Viviana Mall. So I just called the owner of the team Gearless, and he just said that they are waiting outside Viviana Mall. Yes. So I guess they are standing over there. So let's go and see whether they are those only. So yes, it's them only. It's them. It's them. So they have just come. Hi, what's up? Shashank? Devesh.
निमेश आपण चॅट केलेला माहिती आहे
अच्छा, नाव काय तुझं? निमिष. अच्छा अच्छा, नवी या हाँ केशव. अच्छा, और कोई आ रहा है क्या? और so it looks like we are ready to go right now. So we are all set to leave right now. So you can see there is Dio Activa, Honda Navi, and one more Dio, I guess. So from here we are riding 4 riders, and plus few people are waiting at Kalamboli near the McDonald's. So let's start this ride. So we'll have to take a U-turn and then take the Airoli route to just reach Panvel side. So at Panvel there will be a few people who will be waiting. Let's see how many people. Now we have just taken this left for Airoli. So this route will be going to take us to Airoli and then afterwards Panvel. So the constant speed right now is 60. So we all are cruising at 60, which is kind of great. So I guess Lonavala is like 110 kilometers from here and some 55 kilometers from Panvel. So if you calculate 60, so it's like in 2 hours we will reach at Lonavala. So we have reached Kharghar right now, and Panvel is like the next station to Kharghar. Oh, sorry, Kharghar then Mansarovar. So Mansarovar will be somewhere over there. But if we take the straight route, we'll reach McDonald's. So more 3 people have joined us over here at Panvel. So we'll have to take this route in order to take the old Mumbai-Pune route. So we'll have to take this route in order to go to Pune. So that route, if we take that route, it will lead us to the Panvel city. So we have just crossed the Shedung toll Naka, which is like 20 kilometers from Panvel. Yes. So by far we have crossed somewhere like 70 kilometers. The place where I started, from my place, Panvel is like 55 kilometers. So we have just crossed 70 kilometers right now. So we have reached Khalapur right now. So Pune is like 92. So Lonavala would be just 20 to 30 kilometers from over here. So guys, as we were riding, so one of our scooter over there, you can see, got punctured. So we just thought, why don't we enjoy at this beautiful waterfall. So today I have with me Nimish, ASO2 moto vlogger. Subscribe to his channel.
Keshav.
Keshav.
Team Gearless.
Team Gearless, owner of Team Gearless, Mr. Yashash. So that's Krishna, Amod, and so Sanket's tire is punctured. And Devesh. So selfie guy Devesh. You guys can see it's amazing waterfall. So it was, I don't know, it's luck or something else. So our vehicle also got at a beautiful spot so that we can do some time pass over here. And the water is quite sweet, you know. I just tasted some. It's amazing. Natural waterfalls, you know, in rainy season. So now we have reached Khopoli, and so from Khopoli, Lonavala is like 15 kilometers. So now I guess the ghat would be commencing from here.